let's suppose that I'm working in this file, and now I want to open a new file. For any reason, I want to build a new file, and now I will add water, for instance, just to go to the process simulation. Let's see here. Okay. So now I'm working with this file, and I want to return to the previous file. I want to return to the pre-written YouTube file. So how I am able to do that? There is no tabs here where I can do a quick shifting. So what you need to do in this case, and in my previous years using Aspen Hysys, I got some time to understand that, is you go to File, you go to Activate, and I can choose the other file. So now it shifted to the other file. So as many files you have opened the Aspen Hysys, you can shifting between them. See that I don't have options to change the files by the menu of the Windows, because all of this is opened in the V10. So if I want to return to the other file, I go to Activate. Activate, yes. And it returned to the Aspen Hysys. So it is something that can save you some time, because what I did in the past, I opened the file that I want to, I opened the other file that I want to, in order that I had two windows available in my Windows to be able to share from a process simulation to another. And with this command, this option, you just need to go here and choose the file that you want to update, that you want to verify, and etc. So it's a nice feature that is available in the Aspen Hysys and can save you some time related to that.